Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with a brand new video, and today I'll be showing you how to make catfish pepper soup. Catfish pepper soup is a popular Nigerian dish, so enjoy and watch the video to the end. So I'm going to start off with washing my catfish. I'm going to be using lemon and hot water to wash my catfish. If you want to see a full video on how to wash catfish properly, let me know in the comment section and I'll be sure to do a video on this for you guys. Make sure you wash your catfish till the water is clean and is no longer slimy. So this is my washed catfish. I'm using a whole catfish with an extra piece for this recipe. I'm going to be using red and yellow habanero pepper. Please put the amount of pepper you can tolerate. Pepper soup spice is usually sold already mixed like this, so you can get it from your local market or from the supermarket. This catfish pepper soup is really easy to make and it comes together in about 20 minutes. So I blended my onions, crayfish and pepper together, and I'm going to add enough water to cover the fish to allow it to cook properly because I won't be adding water again. I'm going to be adding the rest of the ingredients now to the pot. Garlic and ginger, uziza, pepper soup spice, Cameroon pepper, seasoning cube and salt. The exact quantity is listed in the description box below. Mix everything gently, turn on your heat, cover your pot and allow to boil. So this is the catfish pepper soup, is boiling and is almost ready. So right now I'm just going to taste to see if I have enough salt and seasoning. So I tasted and I realized I needed an extra pinch of salt, and I added half a cube of seasoning. I'm going to be introducing the saint leaf now, and saint leaf comes at the end of the catfish pepper soup. If you don't have saint leaf where you are, you can use basil as an alternative. But saint leaf gives this pepper soup an amazing flavor. My pepper soup is ready, but I'm just going to give it one final taste before I take it out from the heat. Tastes amazing. This catfish pepper soup, aka point and kill, is best enjoyed like this. It can also be eaten with plantain, yam, or rice. It is very delicious. Thank you for making it to this point of this video. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying this recipe and if you enjoyed it. Thank you once again for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.